Discover 20 new construction tools under $100 that combine affordability and efficiency, available on Amazon. From durable hand tools to smart measuring devices, these budget-friendly essentials are perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional builders alike. Upgrade your toolkit without breaking the bank with high-quality, reliable tools designed to make every construction project easier and more precise. Woodpeckers Stair Gauge Set. The Woodpeckers Stair Gauge Set is a precision woodworking tool that turns carpenters' squares and triangles into reliable marking devices for repetitive angles and measurements. The set includes dual size options, an extra deep set for framing lumber, and a thin set for fine woodworking. Compatible with most triangular squares, it ensures fast, accurate markings for stair stringers, rafters, and miters. Made from durable aluminum and brass with a red anodized finish, it features the racket storage system and is proudly made in the USA. IRWIN Quick Lift Construction Jack. The IRWIN Quick Lift Construction Jack is a versatile hand-operated tool designed to make lifting, leveling, and holding heavy materials easier on the job site. With a 330 pound, 150 kilogram capacity and up to 10 inches of lift height, it handles cabinets, doors, and appliances effortlessly. Features like precision-controlled lowering, a no-load quick release, ergonomic grip, slim tapered base, and flush mounting holes make it ideal for tight spaces and accurate alignment. Built for durability, it's a reliable job site companion. Armeg Double Box Cutter. The Armeg Double Box Cutter is a precision drill attachment from the EBS system designed to quickly square off double electrical socket holes in masonry. It creates neat, professional holes in soft to medium density materials like brick and block. Featuring a 6mm pilot guide, SDS Plus adapter, and durable steel construction, it ensures fast, accurate, and reliable operation. When used with the full EBS system, electricians can complete double socket box holes in under 2 minutes, significantly improving workflow efficiency on site. NEIKO Magnetic Sweepers. The NEIKO Magnetic Sweepers are powerful tools designed for efficient ferrous metal cleanup in workshops, garages, and construction sites. Featuring a strong magnetic base, they effortlessly pick up nails, screws, bolts, and tacks. With an adjustable telescoping handle, all-terrain wheels, and quick release mechanism, debris disposal is fast and ergonomic. Available in multiple widths and built with durable materials, these sweepers cover large areas while handling heavy loads, making them an essential solution for safe, clean, and efficient metal debris collection. Bosch GPL 5G Point Laser. The Bosch GPL 5G Professional Point Laser is a compact, rugged 5-point laser designed for precise leveling and squaring. Featuring highly visible green laser points, it projects up, down, front, and side points for plumb, level, and 90-degree tasks. Its durable, IP65 rated housing withstands tough job site conditions. With a self-leveling pendulum system, integrated magnetic rotation mount, and easy two-position operation, it ensures fast setup. The laser offers up to 30-meter range, plus or minus 0.35 millimeters per meter accuracy, 8-hour battery life, and versatile applications like drywall framing and stud alignment. Kreg Cabinet Installation Kit. The Kreg Cabinet Installation Kit is a versatile system that makes hanging wall cabinets simple and efficient, even for a single person. It features sturdy steel brackets and wall channels that temporarily hold cabinets in place, allowing precise alignment and leveling before permanent attachment. Each 2-foot section supports up to 60 pounds, and the kit accommodates various cabinet materials like MDF, plywood, and particle core. Available in customizable lengths, it includes all necessary screws, anchors, and brackets for a seamless installation experience. Makita Cordless Metal Shears. Makita Cordless Metal Shears are powerful, versatile tools designed for professional use. Featuring a 360-degree rotating head with multiple stops, they allow precise cuts in tight spaces and corrugated metal. Brushless motors provide high power, efficiency, and long life, while extreme protection technology ensures durability in harsh conditions. Ergonomic grips, lock-on buttons, built-in LED lights, and safety features like lock-off and anti-restart enhance user comfort and control. Models offer various cutting capacities for mild and stainless steel. The Klein Tools Circuit Breaker Finder. The Klein Tools Circuit Breaker Finder, models ET300 and ET310, quickly and accurately identifies the correct breaker for any energized outlet or fixture. Its microprocessor-controlled receiver and transmitter provide clear visual and audible signals, with increasing strength as the correct breaker is located. The ET310 adds a GFCI tester for outlet wiring checks. Durable, drop-resistant housing and auto power-off enhance usability, while optional accessories like a light socket adapter, alligator clips, and prong adapters expand functionality for versatile circuit tracing. DEWALT Circular Saw. DEWALT Circular Saws are engineered for precision, power, and durability, making them a top choice for professionals and DIYers. Featuring robust corded or brushless cordless motors, they handle demanding cutting tasks with ease. High bevel capacity, deep cutting depth, and integrated dust blowers ensure versatility and clean cuts. Electric brakes enhance safety, while ergonomic grips and lightweight construction reduce fatigue. Cordless models benefit from FlexVolt technology and battery compatibility, providing long runtime and efficient maintenance-free operation across DEWALT's tool ecosystem. Milwaukee Hard Hat. Milwaukee Hard Hats are designed for ultimate job site safety, comfort, and adaptability. Featuring the innovative bolt accessory system, they allow seamless attachment of headlamps, visors, earmuffs, and more. With 4 or 6-point ratcheting suspension and moisture wicking, antimicrobial sweatbands, they ensure a secure, comfortable fit. Built from durable HDPE or polycarbonate, they meet ANSI/ISEA and CSA safety standards. Vented options improve airflow, while Type 2 models provide full lateral impact protection, plus adjustable chin straps for added security at heights. IRWIN Vice Grip. IRWIN Vice Grip locking tools deliver unmatched versatility and durability for professional use. Made from high-grade, heat-treated alloy steel, they offer maximum toughness and long-lasting performance. Their self-energizing jaws provide up to 3 times more gripping power, while hardened teeth securely hold round, square, or hex materials. Adjustable pressure and multiple jaw types, curved, straight, long nose, and specialized clamps ensure precision for any task. Available with classic or fast release mechanisms, Vice grips combine power, control, and comfort in every use. Stanley FatMax 6-in-1 combination pliers. The Stanley FatMax 6-in-1 combination pliers are a versatile, all-in-one hand tool designed to simplify tasks and reduce the need for multiple tools. Crafted from drop-forged CRV steel and induction hardened for durability, these pliers combine 6 essential functions: gripping, wire cutting, wire stripping, wrenching, bolt cropping and reaming. Ergonomic non-slip handles ensure comfort during extended use, while corrosion-resistant construction adds longevity. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, the Stanley FatMax 6-in-1 pliers deliver precision, strength, and convenience in one compact tool. Seika Multifunction Foldable Level. The Seika Multifunction Foldable Level is a precision tool designed for versatility and portability. Its foldable design allows it to extend up to 28 inches, or compact for easy storage. The hinged segments enable multi-angle measurements, perfect for stairs, corners, or pipes. Equipped with 4 vials for horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree angles, plus a magnetic base for hands-free use, it's built from durable aluminum with ABS connectors and TPR end caps. Ideal for construction, renovations, shelving, tiles, and furniture assembly. Klein Tools Magnetic LED Flashlight. Klein Tools. Magnetic LED flashlights are rugged, versatile lights designed for demanding job sites. Equipped with strong magnets, they offer convenient hands-free use on metal surfaces. Dual lighting modes combine a focused flashlight and a broad work light in one compact tool. Durable anodized aluminum bodies and rubber grips withstand drops, dust, and water, while bright LEDs ensure excellent visibility. Some models feature rechargeable batteries, twist focus beams, laser pointers, glow rings for easy location, and memory modes for ultimate convenience. DEWALT DPG-82 Safety Goggle. The DEWALT DPG-82 Concealer Safety Goggle combines comfort, durability, and high-level protection for demanding work environments. Its dual-injected rubber seal conforms to the face, blocking dust and debris, while anti-fog extra clear and scratch-resistant tough coat lenses ensure clear vision. Integrated ventilation reduces fog, and the polycarbonate lenses deliver impact resistance with 99.9% UVA/UVB protection. An adjustable head strap offers a secure fit, and its low-profile design provides full visibility, even over prescription glasses, meeting ANSIZ 87.1 plus safety standards.